So when people do come out of that discovery flight, the big thing we like them to understand is, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. My first flights when I was just a little kid with my dad and grandpa, so it was pretty memorable. I do remember sitting at the controls and just barely being able to clear the yoke and just barely being able to see over the window. So I started when I was young. I sold at 16. I got my license at 17. I did that all here in Albert Lea. I would say after I probably got my instrument rating, that's when I decided, yeah, I really want to share this passion with other people. And with the current instructors at 360, it's been a huge push for us to have the instructors that we know that we can count on. And all the instructors here, I can say, are phenomenal with making training fun. It's fun to sit back and I can watch them teach, and I can honestly see students enjoying themselves. It's okay for the students to mess up. It's okay for them to make mistakes, and it's okay for them to ask as many questions as they want. And let's make this as fun as possible. So it's a great experience.